When you want to copy data on your worksheets, you can use the copy method. Let me show you how this works. I have the copy data file open, and I want to copy this table onto my clipboard. And there's a few ways to do this. I'll show you how by switching over to Visual Basic. And the first way would be to tell Visual Basic directly to go to Sheet 1, range A1 through B11, and copy that. And that would look like this. You could either type in worksheets or sheets, and I'll use sheets here, and then my open parentheses, and I want to tell it to go to sheet 1, and then the range of A1 through B11 dot copy. All right, so let me go ahead and test this out. I will run this by hitting the function 5 on my keyboard, switch back over to my Excel, and you can tell by the little dancing ants around the table that it's now copied. You can also see down in the status bar at the bottom, it says select the destination and press enter or choose paste. So this is now copied onto the clipboard. Let me switch back over to Visual Basic. So it's literally the object that you want if there's a particular range, and then the period operator, copy. All right, so that's one way, and that way is very specific because I'm telling VBA the range to use. The other thing that I could use is my current region property. So let me show you what that would look like. Here's another example of copying. So this time I have activecell.currentregion.copy. So this is going to allow me to click anywhere inside the table, and the selection is going to expand to get all of the contiguous cells. All right, so either of those two ways work to copy. But what if you want to copy and paste at the same time? Let me switch back over to Excel. So I have two sheets in this workbook, and on sheet 2 right now there is nothing. But I want to copy this table on sheet 1 and place it onto A1 of sheet 2. So here's how I do that. I'll switch back over to Visual Basic, and I'm going to make a change here to my code. I will type in the argument of destination equals sheets, and then the sheet. I'll say sheet 2 dot range A1. All right, so let me go ahead and test that out. I will run this and switch back over to Excel. So here was sheet 1. Let me go over to sheet 2. And there's the table. So taking a look back at the code, at first I just copied using the copy method, but then I went in and also pasted it somewhere using destination. I told it the sheet that I wanted to copy it to and the range. All right, now after I'm done copying, a lot of times I still have the dancing ants around my selection that I copied. So just to show you a little trick, if you want to get rid of those dancing ants or just turn the copy or cut mode off, that would be a matter of application dot cut copy mode equals false. And that will go ahead and turn off copy.